Hi guys, so I am back and I wanted to show you my collection of my fairy books. And I've been collecting these over the past, I want to say, I don't know, 3 or 4 months. And I think I'm ready to start my little projects. So some of these I've bought double. Oh, I didn't mean to show that one because that one is double. Some of these I bought double because I want to keep them in my in my little library that I have in my living room for me to keep. But these I'm going to alter into into some kind of journal. So I'm going to show you. I love them, and they're by Cicely Mary Barker. So the first one, let me see if I could get this angle right. I'm sorry, hold on, bear with me. Okay, so the first one is Flower Fairies of the Summer. These are so beautiful. Let me show you. So look at the images, and I am going to turn these into journals. Now you might be familiar with some of these images because I've seen these images online. You recognize some of these? And I went on eBay and I bought some. Oh my gosh, it took forever. It took about, my gosh, it took about a month and a half to get here. It was the longest wait. I mean, when you buy from eBay, it's like a month wait. But this one took about a month and a half. It was ridiculous. But I finally got them. Let me see if I could show you. Hold on. These little things here. I got a few packages. You see them? They're toothpicks. They're supposed to be cupcake toppers, but see them? They match my project perfectly. So instead of me having to fussy cut anything, what I'm gonna do with these is I'll just cut off, you know, the toothpick part, and I'll use them in my project. Pretty smart, right? Sometimes I get a little smart. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I have a couple of packages on those. But look at the images on these books, and the stories, the poems are like so beautiful. So that's that one. That one's called Flower Fairies of the Summer. And then we have Flower Fairies of the Wayside, also by Cicely Barker. I just love them so much. I am obsessed with fairies, and I'm obsessed with butterflies. That is my obsession. And in the summertime, I make fairy houses out of clay to put outside, and you know, I go over them with resin to keep them. And one day I'll take you out to my flower garden and I will show you. I love doing it with my granddaughter. You know, to build little fairy houses and go outside and, you know, and place them and stuff like that. I love it. You know, she don't touch the resin, but you know, she loves the clay and stuff. She's 3, so she loves to get her hands dirty. Aren't these images just to die for? I love them so much. Then this one is Flower Fairies of the Autumn. And this one has an, you know, it's an inscription there, but I don't care about that. Just giving you a quick glance here. They're so cute. I love them. See what I mean? And then this one is Flower Fairies Secret World. This one is bigger, but I love it. I hope the lighting is okay. And look at that. The graphics are just amazing. Just to give you a little quick glance, look at that. Ugh. Aren't they just amazing? And what I like to do with these books is, you see the signature, how they're sewn? I just go and snip that off, and I'm going to pull them apart, you know, as a whole, so I don't lose the storyline. Now, these two are my fave. This one is Fairyopolis. I'll show you this one first. This one is like, these two are my favorite, and I bought two of these because I need one in my collection. These are very interactive. Let me see if I could get the whole thing in screen. I'm sorry about the glare, guys, but look, they are so interactive. And this is the book that I used some of the elements to make my fairy garden book. Look at how interactive that is. I just like love it so much. Look at this. Look at that. I love it so much. This is a field guide to fairies. And then maps of Sussex, supposed to be where the fairies are at. Oh, let me see if I could get it all in here. And the storyline on this is so cute. You see that? I love it. So I'm going to have fun altering these. And then this is supposed to be what fairy wings look like. You see that? And this cute little envelope. I love it so. Look at this. This is a letter. And this is a dictionary of fairy trees. And if you look in my channel, you'll see a fairy journal that I made using this. And the secret of the fairy ring, right here. This opens up, and it has another story, short stories. Tales of grateful and helpful fairies. And this is another, it's like a, tells you about paying fairies or something. And then this is fairy dust. See how interactive it is? And I'm going to make it even more interactive. This is a little tiny envelope with a little tiny letter. I can't even stand it. And then here is an envelope. And it has a big pouch. And you look in there and you see fairies.
So yeah. We lived here probably...
my computer started. So that's that one. I have a fairy house that I built, I want to say 2 years ago. And I built it with, I even put lights in it. I built it with cardboard and clay and aluminum foil and, you know, the coffee trays that you get from Starbucks. I made stairs, and I went out in my woods, you know, in the backyard, and I collected twigs and acorns and all kinds of stuff, and I made beds and furniture. If you want to see it, let me know and I will show you a video of it. I painted it, I made like the bark with it, and made bedding, and it's really cute. Anyway, it's got 2 stories. I even made a bathtub. I made a little bridge that goes from the 1 bedroom and a loft to the bathroom, a kitchen, a living room. I made staircase from the outside that goes up. It's really cute. It's pretty decent size too. So if you're interested in seeing it, just let me know. I'm not going to show it unless you really want to see it. Anyway, so this is Return to Fairyopolis. It's beautiful. And it's another interactive one. So we open it up and it looks like this. And again, we have a letter. And this opens up. And this flips up. It's a postcard. And then this opens. And this opens to the side. And then you just tie it all up. So this one I'm just going to alter. The other ones I'm turning into journals, but these interactive ones I'm altering, and I'm going to just make them even more interactive, and I'll put them in my shop. And then we have another book here. And we have tickets. Isn't that pretty? And then this opens up. It's got a little letter there. And this one has another little letter, if I get it, because I don't have nails. With a little letter from the fairies. And another letter. And are you ready? Look at that. Wait a minute. I didn't open it the right way. Hold on. You gotta get the full effect. Come on. You gotta open it just right. Oh, come on. Hold on. You hear that? Do you see that? Because you got to open it all the way. Is that not to die for? Look at that. So you have to open it all the way. Let's do it one more time. that not so stinking cute? I just love this so much. Ugh. It's popped. It pops up. So that is that one. Oopsie. And then I have this one that I think I will be altering into a journal or 3 or 4 because it has so many things that I can add to the journals. And this one is called The Girl's Book of Flower Fairies. Frederick Warren, and it has so many pretty illustrations, and I think this, I don't know, it has so many dates. This one was with Cicely Mary Barker, and the person I guess I mentioned before. It has so many dates, like 1940, 1944. It has so many different dates, so I don't know. But it's so pretty as well. See all the illustrations? So those pics, aren't they gonna just be so pretty? And it shows you how to make a fairy garden and stuff. Yeah, mine even has that. It's just so cute. So I'm going to be making some journals with this. I love it. Different stories, all kinds of illustrations. It shows you how to press flowers. Secrets of the Oak Tree. I mean, that's so cute. Parties with Poppy. So that is my fairy book collection. It even has recipes. So I just love my little collection. And so I'm going to be making a few things. I have one last journal to make, and you know what? The cover feels like velvet. These flowers, that it's like velvet. It feels so good. So I don't know. I might just even use the cover for a journal as well. You know, just reinforce the spine and also use the cover because I love the cover because it's velvety. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to come on and show you my little collection and what I'm going to be doing with these. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. Alright guys, I'll talk to you in the next video.